What makes a good cinematographer? A good cinematographer is a creative and technical professional who is responsible for the visual look of a film. A cinematographer works closely with the director to create a visual style that supports the story and characters. Some of the key qualities that make a good cinematographer include a strong visual eye. A good cinematographer has a keen eye for composition, lighting, and color. They are able to see the potential in a scene and create images that are both visually appealing and emotionally resonant. Technical expertise. A good cinematographer has a deep understanding of the technical aspects of filmmaking, including cameras, lenses, lighting, and editing. They are able to use their knowledge to create images that are technically proficient and visually stunning. Creativity. A good cinematographer is not afraid to experiment and try new things. They are always looking for ways to push the boundaries of what is possible with the camera. Collaboration. A good cinematographer is a team player who is able to work effectively with the director, actors, and other members of the crew. They are able to communicate their ideas clearly and listen to feedback from others. Observation. You must observe your surrounding. The more you observe, the better you become at telling stories through camera. Good listener. A good cinematographer is a good listener. First, try to understand what your director's vision is. Listen carefully what he says. Human emotions. Any cinematographer who understands human emotions better way, it helps him understanding script a better way, and eventually it helps him to be a good cinematographer. Are you still watching this video? Then subscribe to our channel. So, some of the specific skills and responsibilities of a cinematographer. Choosing the right camera and lenses. The cinematographer will work with the director to choose the right camera and lenses for the project. This will depend on the genre of the film, the desired visual style, and the budget. Setting up the shot. The cinematographer will work with the director and the rest of the crew to set up the shot. This includes determining the camera angle, the composition of the frame, and the lighting. Lighting the shot. The cinematographer is responsible for lighting the shot. This includes using natural light, artificial light, or a combination of both. Operating the camera. The cinematographer may operate the camera themselves, or they may work with a camera operator. Directing the camera crew. The cinematographer will direct the camera crew to ensure that the shots are executed according to their vision. Reviewing the footage. The cinematographer will review the footage with the director and the rest of the crew to make sure that the shots are working. Making adjustments. The cinematographer may make adjustments to the shots as needed. This could include changing the camera angle, the lighting, or the composition of the frame. Collaborating with other departments. The cinematographer will collaborate with other departments on the film, such as the production design, costume design, and makeup departments, to create a cohesive visual style. A good cinematographer is an essential part of the filmmaking process. They are responsible for creating the images that bring the story to life. A great cinematographer can elevate a film and make it truly memorable. Thanks for joining us on this cinematic journey. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and keep creating.